This is a BMW R75/5. It was manufactured in January 1973. It only has 4,371 miles on it, and here it is in my shop for the first time. There's things you have to check when these bikes come in. Carb bowls, how much sediment there is, take a look at the points, the valves need to be checked, rocker arm end play has to be inspected along with the valve clearances. There's a lot of things to check, and you have to make this machine run to further evaluate what else it may need. A lot of times that involves more work than just the basics, and get a little bit deeper into torn diaphragms, require replacement and further rebuilding of the carburetors and such to get to a point where you have a decent enough running machine to present the customer with a reasonable evaluation of what they have. And this is the story of one such machine. Here are a few photos of some of the work that was done, and we'll be rolling into video here in a moment. If you enjoy this type of video, please come on my Patreon channel where I post these much more often. A lot of these are filmed in the shop with the music going, and I can't play anything with music on YouTube, so I can only put those videos on Patreon. I'd like to share with you. Come on over and see. Okay, 1972 R75/5. Just got back from a test ride. It has very little power. So I'm going to do a compression test. Wide open throttle, obviously. Nothing wrong with this cylinder. This is the left side. And now we'll proceed with the right side. Definitely lower, but not terrible. But there's definitely enough variation where something is amiss. I don't know that it's going to show up on this video, but you have one spot right at my fingernail on this rocker arm nut that's polished, where the rocker arm has been rubbing on it. It's certainly an issue here because it's holding the rocker arm from moving the way it's supposed to be. So these rockers were set very, very loose to accommodate this little issue. So I'm going to see if we can make some adjustments and get that squared away. Go for it. Alright, we have excessive rocker arm in play. So we may run into the same problem we had on the other side, where there's a lot of adjustments to be done in the blocks. And this is the left cylinder, obviously. 1973 R75/5. We rebuilt the carbs. They were a mess. We adjusted the valves. Those were a mess. One rocker was hitting cylinder head stud. So it's nice and quiet now. Rob just got back from a test ride. That's what we got for synchronization at the moment. Now we'll sync it. We'll ride again. Okay, we just finished synchronizing the carbs. Very nice at idle. Left cable out. This readjustable left throttle cable. Crank that in a little bit more. Not too much.
line just above the S is directly in the center of the window. Idle. And then under the load, you get the dot above the F.
Thank you for watching and supporting my video work.